Hello everyone, today I want to play Spider-Man 3 Part 9. Let's play. Easy better because the part game. And the part called Sandman. Maybe I can catch him from the part. Now I need to find him. This send you behind the cloud where you are and where to stop you. It never happened from get Spider-Man. It's hard to control. Oh, you had to control, yeah. And he did second week what? It had to fighting. Yeah, it had to fighting. It's so strong right now. I know what skill I can defeat him. Just stand by this and I will fight. Oh no, I lost again. I need to find new tactic. Firmer could not heal but give some power. I think I can find him right now. This part I can finish him. I gonna be next part. And let's say goodbye again. Need to fix my finger. Okay, I can find him with like this. think I can convert him with lifestyle of fighting. In this part can convert him and you play next part again. One, two, one, two, one, two. I don't know it hard. I don't know why. Just it not time again. Just need to slow and grab him like it. Yeah, I can convert him like it. Still hard game. If you first pay to pay. Now I know how to style that meditation now. Now I can hit his target too. Yeah, I can finish him. He gone now. Who is that Sandman and what she ever? Okay, I can pass it too. And I think I continue to the next part. What I can now. He came off underground now, and I need to fight him. But he tries to destroy something element to protect. One, two. One, two. He still strong. One, two. Okay. I can collapse my leg to him. One, two. Okay. Just like this. and 1 2 yeah usually give out now 1 2 this style can help me if I cannot play other style ถ้าไทยพันit can be there but my step of fight that it cool and better to damage of him 1 2 1 2 again 1 2 he nearly end now 1 2 just one time I think I can knock out him 1 2 oh no I need to continue to conquer him 1 2 okay I can finish him I don't know if it has something like water on him now I try to exchange to old Spider-Man now no more and my mission complete and I think I gonna let this part for this and let me continue to next part. Thank you for watching. Goodbye everyone.